Da da da. The clouds is out. What a beautiful morning. It feels good to be up. It feels good to be alive. Oh, what's up? What's up? What's happening? All right, singing to myself. It's a beautiful morning. The clouds is out. Everything is out, you know? Well, no sunshine and it's still cool. Still cool. But I'm not really cold, you know? I just felt like saying that. So I'm gonna try to sing something. This is a beautiful day, even though the clouds is out. It's a blessing to wake up, no matter what time of day it is. It's a beautiful morning. I'm so happy to still be alive today. Yep, Dominoes 7 is in the good mood today. Well, what a beautiful morning. If y'all watch that clip on YouTube or whatever, I saw the commercial of it. So I'm so happy to be alive today. I know I'm not speaking out loud today. Cause this ain't the project anymore. This ain't the project anymore. Look around, no bricks. No bricks at all. Just like the old days, shortly before Katrina. Hurricane Katrina, I should say. I'm having a jolly time. Skipping along the way. Cause it's a beautiful morning. Yep. Like I'm in a ballet. So why do I feel like this? Monographs next week. Monographs next week. Try to sing the song, and I'm a terrible singer. Yes. If I said I was a good singer, I sound better than Kirsten K. I'm just joking, y'all. Kirsten sound better than me. I wouldn't say I'm better than Diamond Dior, a.k.a. Dominique Henry. Oh my God. To be careful what I'm saying because it's a possibility that Dominique and Kirsten gonna watch this, and then they'll come with my booty. But let me continue on singing. It's so lovely. But I wish my mom was still here. But obviously I wouldn't be doing this. She wouldn't even want me to do this time of day. But this still a beautiful morning. People they going to work, so we all gonna defeat this COVID. We gonna defeat this COVID, and the pandemic gonna be over with the snap of a finger. And I mean what I say. This is so lovely, cause I know what I'm saying. I don't know the lyrics of myself or whatever I'm trying to say. Cause you know, it feels good to breathe. Take a taste of that fresh air. Taste that fresh air. Taste that fresh air. All right. So, number 7 tried to sing, but number 7 cannot sing. I sound better than Nyla. I better be quiet or she gonna whip me too. And I know Brittany gonna watch this too. I mean, they'll team up and give me a whipping. So, it's good to have friends that you care so much about. Mm-hmm. Uh-huh. Let me try to kick a rap right quick. It's a beautiful morning. I'll share the projects. This the new projects like Projects Black Blacks. I don't know what the heck I'm saying. Block, rip a chop, pit the block, chop, pit plop. Yeah, whatever I'm trying to say. I'm not a real rapper. I used to be a rapper, like a scapper, looking like pepper. The cloud is out, it's gonna rain, it ain't gonna drain. Bang, bang. Huh. What the heck y'all gonna say? That was 7 years rap. Look at the clouds up here. Is is it about to snow? My cones ain't hurting. Cause you know, Dominoes 7 used to be a rapper, like Scrapper, like a Pepper. I'm not Vanilla Ice or Eminem Candy, like Pandy, like a Spandy. Huh. Wear a lot of spandex, like Crandex, like a Flapback. Huh. Try to do my thing, like a flame. Well, on the serious side, my mama wouldn't even allow me to do my show this early unless I'm in my room, though. You know? So, all right, y'all. I tried to freestyle as best as I could, and y'all know Domino 7 ain't no freestyler, you know? So, so the thing is, though, I mean, try to kick a rap. Well, let me see if I can do it, okay? It's a beautiful morning, it's like boning, like a bonus, like wrecking exponents, like cronins, like a honets. Huh. It's a beautiful morning, the clouds is out, it's going to rain. If the rain goes down the drain, like the flame, like a bang, boom bop, boom block, two chop, like a shot block, kip lock, blah, blah, blah. That's what I'm talking about. Yeah. Down to 7 don't know how to freestyle like he used to. I used to win about 3 or 4. I won 3 out of 4, 0 out of 17,000, like thousand, like a thousand. That's all. Like a slick paw, like a slack call, like a what the heck I'm saying though. Woo! There we go. Woo! There we go. Blah 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 blah. Uh-oh. Somebody heard my freestyling. I'm about to go inside. I'm just joking. Ain't nobody around. Somebody got their cars, like the spars, like the floors. So, all right. That's all, you know. No more of that, okay? I had to do something for entertainment. Entertainment, rapping, singing, all that. If I was a rapper, trust me, I'd be doing a song with Ciara right now. You know, I wouldn't say Pac because Pac is no longer with us. Y'all remember Tupac? You know, Notorious B.I.G., Biggie Smalls. You know, shut up. That yeah, I know y'all heard that crow. You know. Yep. Yeah, if I was a good rapper, I'd be making a song with Kirsten K and Diamond Dior. You know, Diamond Dior is this girl. I ain't gonna say where she used to work at though. I'm gonna keep that off my show unless she want me to say it. You know. So look at the birds in the sky. Yep, y'all see that? Well, I don't know if those are seagulls or crows. You know. Well, never mind all that though. The school buses. Oh, when the school bus started coming down the driveway, it's the second time I seen that. It's the second time I seen that in my life because when I was living in the Fillmore Park apartments, they did a school bus went down the driveway. I remember that though. Well, well anyway, y'all know what a Fillmore Park apartments at. They go that food making that noise. Y'all see that? That was that crow though, you know. It's a beautiful morning and it's cloudy. Beautiful morning, cloudy. That's what I'm gonna call this Facebook Live video. It's a beautiful morning. Well, beautiful morning, cloudy morning. Beautiful cloudy morning. It's a beautiful cloudy morning, okay? Even though the sun ain't out, you know. Yep. Even though the sun ain't out, you know what I'm saying? All right, look at the clouds up there, all around town and everything else, up and down, round and round. You know, I know y'all looking at that. Yep, yep. Uh huh. All right, now y'all looking at the ground now. Okay, so yeah. All right, late late laundry. So I gotta go get some gumbo stuff. I need to learn how to cook gumbo. You know, gumbo is too expensive to mess up. You know, I gotta ask God to. Some people say it's too hot for gumbo. I don't give a rat's hat if it's too hot or cold for flumbo. You know, you know. Yeah, some people say it's too hot for soup. You know, people eat soup any time, any day. You know, stew, soup, whatever the hell you want to call it. All right. So, well, nobody around right now. You know. It's a beautiful morning. Yep. It's kind of foggy out, you know. Y'all don't see no fog cause I'm too close around buildings, you know. So the thing is, it's foggy, you know. It's foggy and stuff like that. I remember did two two kids missed the bus, the RTA bus, because it was foggy and they didn't see the bus, you know, and the bus driver didn't see the children trying to catch the bus, but unfortunately they missed the bus. This was in 1995, yeah, 95, you know. All right, so yeah, it's a beautiful morning, and good morning to my friend that's watching my show, you know. I sure miss our conversation though. I sure miss our conversation, you know. So anyway, that's my friend from the Barry. So I'm a visit the Barry one of these days, you know. One of these days I'm a visit, you know. But unfortunately, I don't have family that live out there, you know. If I have family in the Barry, I'll be visiting every little step I take, you know. Yep. So so anyway, uh, should I say my friend name? Yes, Sherelle. I sure miss her though, and I'm sure she miss me. Yep. So I wish she would have had a chance to meet my mama though. Maybe she seen my mama before and didn't know that was my mom. You know. Yep. I mean, I wanted to invite her to my house before I moved out of New Iberia to be on my show. You know. Never had that chance though. So, let me think. Uh, a girl named Kiara. Well, y'all ain't gonna come on down. What you mean? 'Cause- oh yeah, she just messaged me. Come on down. Okay. Who are you? The announcer of The Price is Right? Must be the announcer of The Price is Right. Can't believe this boy cut the television off. Cut the television off. Never mind that. Never mind that. Yeah, yeah. She missed me though. Yep. Never mind that. All right, y'all. As I was saying, y'all, she said, "Come on down." Yeah, yeah. I must say, I miss all of New Iberia people, especially the bad ones. You know, some of you that hate Domino, you know, you don't love Domino. I don't care if you hate Domino, cause Domino living his best life. Your boy Domino living his best life. Yes, indeed. Yep, yep. You know, one of these days, I wish I can interview Spice One. You know, yeah. Some people miss Domino. You know, yep. And plus, I mean, to me, being in the Bay Area was a blessing. You know, that's how I started my show. You know, wish I could take a trip to Lafayette. You know, travel not all over the country though. I wanted to travel to California to be on The Price is Right. Bob Barker retired. You know, and Drew Carey's the host. Alex Trebek passed away. You know, yep. Alex Trebek passed away in November. You know, November 8th. You know, never had a chance to meet Alex Trebek. You know, and Johnny Gilbert's still here. So if you watch Price is Right a lot, y'all know who y'all y'all know who Rod Roddy was. If y'all watched it from back in the day, I'm talking about like in the '90s. Y'all know who Rod Roddy was. In New Orleans, it's cool a little bit, and it's cloudy. Yep. So, Sherelle, if you're still watching this, and if you ever see me again, would you like to be on my show? So, would you ever like to be a guest on my show? Yeah. Hopefully, she'll say yes. You know. I even wanted my friend Kirsten to be a guest on my show. You know. You know. For some of you that knew Tanya, you know, she was one of my producers on my show. You know, a co-executive producer on my show. You know, so so she was a co-executive producer though. So anyway, she can't be no co-executive producer on my show if she not talking to me. You know, so so the thing is though. So the thing is though, she'll have to appear on the show again, or be behind the scenes again, you know, cause she always talk about she ain't won't be on the show. She had the opportunity on my first season, but she came on the second season, you know. That was somebody climbing on that dumpster. So so never mind that. I guess my friend got offline, you know. So okay, thank y'all for watching this though. I about to go inside and do a little do a little work in the house and finish uploading to YouTube. I don't know when this gonna be on YouTube, you know. So anyway, that's all I'ma say. Okay, maybe. Well, before I go, I want to say maybe one day if I may get Sherelle to come on my show through FaceTime or something, you know. Maybe I'll do that. Okay. All right. Thank y'all for watching. All right. I hope y'all enjoyed today's show. Okay. All right.